Hi everyone, it is an introductory video in which I will tell you a little about myself and will give you a general idea about this series of short lectures. Do you know which exams are considered to be the toughest in the world? Let's find out. Gaokao exam from China and IIT JEE Advanced from India are considered to be the toughest exams in the world from science discipline. Students from senior secondary school appear in these exams for getting admissions for the top tier institutes of the country. Another tough exam is UPSC CSE, which is Civil Services Examination. But this is not particularly science related examination. GATE and GRE. Both these exams are conducted for graduate students but examine different skill set. GRE examines verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, critical thinking, and analytical writing, whereas on the other side, GATE is more technical oriented. It is actually conducted for different streams. As an example, we will consider ESE paper code, which is Electronics and Communication Engineering, in which 72% marks are allotted for subject related questions, 13% for engineering mathematics, and the rest 15% for verbal and quantitative reasoning. Subject related questions or technical reasoning questions are difficult not because of advanced or in depth questions but because of huge syllabus. A huge part of BTech syllabus is asked in GATE. However, the main objective of the exam is to check whether the basic principles of the engineering are clear to the students or not. 3-4 tough questions to come, but they are manageable. I appeared in GATE 2023 of Electronics and Communication Engineering and secured All India rank 36. Also, I secured All India rank 4 in UPMRC for the exam of Assistant Manager for the domain Signal and Telecommunication. I only want to tell you that I am quite aware of what type of questions are usually asked in competitive exams. The syllabus of these lectures will be slightly more than GATE syllabus. So, if any of you is preparing for GATE exam or any other exam, then first cross-check the topics and study accordingly. However, for BTech, probably all the lectures are useful. If we talk about GATE, 1-2 out-of-the-box questions may also come, which you may have not studied in BTech or even in GATE coachings. But the thing is, there is not a definite boundary on the syllabus from where these questions can be asked. That's why I have shown the ellipse representing the GATE syllabus to be a little out of these lectures coverage. Coachings usually analyze the previous year questions and try to make a boundary from where questions are usually asked in competitive exams. But still, they cannot be sure about the boundary for the questions which may come in next year. I personally have not taken any coaching, however, I did join different test series for practice. From my own experience, I will give you some tips so that you can prepare for any exam at your home. If you are preparing for exams in which numerical questions are more, then practice as much as you can. Buy a supplementary practice questions book. If you are preparing for exams in which theoretical questions are more, then read as many books as you can. If you are preparing for PSU or master's interview, then it will be better if you watch lectures, for example NPTEL, along with reading books. Reading a book is very different than solving a book. If you are solving so many books, then you will not be able to complete the syllabus. I am only asking you to have a look on what different authors are trying to teach you. There are high chances of finding unique points in a book which are usually not covered in other books. That's all for now. I hope you are going to enjoy the lectures.